Hello students, today we are going to learn the first poem of the first unit, A Time to Believe. In this poem, the poet B.J. Morbitzer tells us about the amazing power of belief. Students, it is an optimistic, inspiring and motivational poem. Let's enjoy the poem. To believe is to know that every day is a new beginning, is to trust that miracles happen and dreams really do come true. In the first stanza, the poet tells us that we have to believe that every day is a new beginning. Means the poet tells us that we have to forget all the worries in our past and we should welcome every day as a new beginning. The poet encourages us to trust that miracles will really happen in our life. Therefore, all our dreams, wishes, and aspirations will really do come true. Now, see the second stanza. To believe is to see angels dancing among the clouds, to know the wonder of a stardust sky and the wisdom of the man in the moon. Students, you know that angels are the imaginary beings, but however, the poet admits us to believe that angels are really dancing among the clouds because they are the symbols of positivity, virtues, and good things. The poet further tells us to see the beauty, magical quality, and the wonderful stars in the sky. Students, it is a traditional belief that there is a face of man in the moon and he has abundant knowledge. The poet motivates us to accept the wisdom of the man in the moon. To believe is to know the value of a nurturing heart, the innocence of a child's eyes, and the beauty of an aging hand. For it is through their teachings we learn to love. In this stanza, the nurturing heart means the people who love and care for us, like our parents, relatives, friends, and teachers. Children, you should know the value of their nourishment. You should obtain the pureness of the child's eyes. The poet tells us to see the beauty of the old people's caring for us. It is through the teachings of these old people that we learn to love. Now see the fourth stanza. To believe is to find the strength and courage that lies within us when it is time to pick up the pieces and begin again. In this stanza, the poet strongly admits that we have great courage and power inside us. The poet encourages us to use this courage and strength to fight against the sorrows and disasters in our life. To believe is to know we are never alone, that life is a gift and this is our time to cherish it. In this stanza, the poet wants to say that our family members, our friends, and our relatives are always there to help us. Therefore, we are never alone. The poet states that life is a gift. Therefore, we have to protect it as a highly precious thing. To believe is to know that wonderful surprises are just waiting to happen, and all our hopes and dreams are within reach if only we believe. In the last stanza, the poet tells us to believe that amazing and wonderful things will definitely happen in our life. The poet also inspires us to chase our dreams because, according to him, our self belief can make our dreams true. Students, I hope you understood the poem. Thank you.